Hi guys, so today we're going to play Don't Press the Button 4. Let's go. Okay, let's see what the first one is.
Yummy!
Gets inside. I'm good at crossing the road, so I won't die. Okay, that one's good. Good. Spoke too soon. Alright, let's try it again. Good. 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 I'm good at this. Right, the car. Good, good. What? I was about to get there as well. Okay, I just got my tiny reward. Why am I tiny? What happened? Oh my god. I'm so tiny. Look how big this chocolate milk is compared to me. Oh my god. Yeah, I didn't. Oh my god. This shovel. What's that spade? I think it's a shovel. I don't know. I can jump so high. Okay. Right, we can do this. Second story. Let's try and climb the ladder. I can't move. I can't move. How am I can't climb the ladder. I'll be dead. Alright, let's try and climb this. Yep, no. No. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm totally dead. Well, now we're in the invisible box. Okay. So, come on, let's press the button. What just happened? Knock on the door. Okay. I didn't get to knock on the door. Let's try and go up here. Where is it? Where's the creepy thing? Where's the creepy thing? Oh my god, there it is. And I died. Yeah, I'm bad at this. Oh, I'm in the invisible box again. So, yeah. Ooh, look at this free cake. I got it. I don't know what it is though. A rare gear only available for a limited time when celebrating my milestones. I'm trying to get the rainbow carpet, but I still don't have enough money. See? Oh, climb the building with light. Sounds easy. Okay, there's a building over there. Let's get it. Come on, come on. Yes, I got it. I won't die this time. Okay, next building, quickly. We'll have to go to the bullpit. Let's go to the bullpit. Oh my god, it's a bullpit! It's a bullpit! How am I not dying? I really don't know. Ooh, that was slide. Have fun. I get my head though. The merry-go-round going round. Not going round. Ugh, it's not going round. Ugh. Anyways, I'm gonna go down this slide. I hit my head again. I can't see myself. Why can't I see myself? Okay, I can see myself now. Anyways, do you like my outfit or what? Because, like, it's cute. Okay? It's cute. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna watch my video next. I know what I'm gonna do. Okay. It's gonna be a surprise, but I'll do it on an announcement. Anyways, right. Oh, is that like a little house? That's so cute. It's not a bouncy castle. Well, anyways, I'm going back in. Oh, I did get to go in the ball pit. Okay, like, why is everyone covering the button? I can't get the button if you guys are covering it. Come on. Yeah. Yes, I got it. Watch out. Oh god. Oh god. Those boulders. Why are there two boulders? Oh my god. There's two boulders trying to get us. Anyways, that's cool. Right, I'm gonna jump over the laser. Right. Let's go. Ooh, come on. Yep. We are doing so good. Oh, I just died as well. Ugh. Anyways. So, yeah. Oh, let's go on the blue side. Yeah. Right. On the blue side. And we survived the blue side! Yay! Okay, I think I'm gonna go on the green side. Yeah, should I? Yeah, green side. Oh, this Pinky's gonna die. Oh, dang it. Anyways, I'm gonna go on the yellow side. I think Pink's gonna go next. I thought, ooh, look at all that lava. So you're just 4. Cool. Why is there a beach ball? Okay, gotta get to the top. But I forgot a beach ball. Anyways, I'm at the top. Wait, I'm supposed to get to the middle. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm in the middle. Wait, what are they doing? Are they doing what I did? All those people are gonna die. Oh, I thought you were the smart one. At least we got one unicorn something. I don't know her name. Why am I on top of the button? I don't know. Oh, be careful fast. Oh my god, I'm running so fast. I'm running so fast. By the way, if I sound good, I've got a goal. So making this voiceover is so hard. I have to keep stopping. Zoom in. Don't know what that was. But we're zooming. Zoom. Woo! I love this. Zoom. Okay, now let's see which one's next. Right. Why are people on the button? I can't press it. Right. Survive the fire wings, whatever. Okay. Oh, I didn't have to jump for that one. Right. Before we jump so high, jump. Oh, we did jump high. Okay, let's do the next one. I've already done 11 voiceovers because I have to keep coughing. Yeah, this is hard. How did I just die? Jump? Oh, I died. Yeah, I'm bad at these games. See, that's what I want. Okay? So we've got 5 minutes left. I'm gonna pause after this one maybe though. I don't know. No, one more. Yeah, one more. Okay, so if you guys hear rain, because it's raining a lot, we're in a storm right now. Yeah, if you guys hear rain, sorry, but it's not my fault, it's the weather's fault. Okay, I'm trying to get this ball to people side, but it's not cooperating. Like, come on. Hey. Try me. Thank you. I'm just gonna stand on it, that might be better. Oh, it is working. How will it plug in? Okay. Yeah, you got the ball over. Yeah, you got another one over. Why is the blue kind of helpless? What the heck? Anyway, let's try and get this little ball on the side. Ooh, we won! Yay! I just got another ball on the side as well. And we won! Okay. So, look, I think there's gonna be like a couple more, I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot more. Like a lot more. Okay, get to the end. Right. Yep, got it. Jump over the thing. Oh, well, you cannot. Stop looking on there, we wanna watch this. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna try and get that red coin. And I died. So I do not know how I didn't see that red coin over there, but I didn't. And I still didn't get it. So now I'm going to get this one. Yeah, okay, I got it. I died straight after, but I got it. Right, yep. Ooh, I won. Ooh, I won. I don't know why I said ooh. Yeah, I'm very cringy, so don't mind me. Cringe guy. Yeah, I got the coin again. So no one's got that coin, and still people are stuck. Okay, that Mariana Unicorn Girl just winning as well. Okay, this one's gonna be the last one. I'm just gonna stay in this corner. No, I know what I'm gonna do. I am going to run around. Is it paused? No, it's not. I'm gonna run around. It looked like it was paused, didn't it? Check because it wasn't. Okay, nearly got hit by that spike. Oh, that one as well. Come on. No. What? just happened? So, ooh, can I spin it? Really? I have to wait 15 more minutes. Okay, nearly done. Hopefully now. Jump. I don't want the nature sword. Why does it keep sending me things? Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, well, thank you and bye.